built that great product, or maybe you're getting ready to build one. You know you need the right business model, but where do you start? How are you going to sell your product? For how much? And who's going to buy it? How will you monetize your new business? Most startups fail not because their product is bad, but because they didn't find the business model that works before they ran out of money. If you're an entrepreneur launching a startup or part of a team, this course is for you. My name is Jim Semick. For over 10 years, I've worked with startups to design innovative business models, to validate the right product features and price, and launch profitable businesses. Some of the products have become leaders in their market segment, including Citrix GoToMyPC, GoToMeeting, and AppFolio. These and other products are now generating over $400 million in revenue every year. But every day, businesses fail, and it's because they're not selling the right way, at the right price, to the right customer, in a way that can scale the business. But there is a formula for startup success, and I want to share it with you in this course. In this course, you'll learn how to discover a business model that works, one that sets you apart from the competition. I'll show you real examples of business models that got it right. You'll learn how to design a business model from scratch using the latest methods. You'll learn about more than a dozen pricing options from successful businesses, including freemium and subscription models. You'll learn how to test your business model with real customers. You'll also learn how to avoid pricing mistakes and setting the right price without leaving money on the table. The hands-on lessons on this course can help you scale your business. Take this course now and start building a business that works. We also offer a 100% money-back guarantee, so this is risk-free. Thank you for watching.